Namaste students, myself JV and Dr. Arun Kumar Singh, Faculty of Education and Mythology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. I welcome to all of you in my digital class, BSc B.Ed 7th semester. We will discuss the topic inclusive education. Meaning of inclusive education. Inclusive education is defined as a learning development that promotes the full personal, academic and professional development of all learners irrespective of race, class, color, gender, disability, sexual performance, learning styles and language. History of inclusive education. The district education programs 1985 and the national policy of education 1986 and the project integrated education for the disabled launched in 1987. The person with disabilities acts 1995 and the integrated education for disabled children scheme launched in 1974 and the Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan 2000s and making all schools disabled friendly by 2020 March 2005. Okay, principles of inclusive education. No discrimination with the students and equal educational opportunities to all. School adapt to the need of students and next, equal educational benefits for all students. And next points, the students' views are listened to and taken seriously. And individual difference between students and students are a source of richness and diversity and not a problems. Need and importance of inclusive education. To fulfill the constitutional responsibilities. Second points, to enable children to stay with their families and for the development of healthy citizenships. For achieving the universalization, developing feeling of self-respect and for the use of modern technology for social equality and self-reliant. Aims and objectives of inclusive educations. Educations for all, protections of rights, identifications of skills and development of social consciousness to prepare for new challenges and development of brotherhoods. And next, to improve quality of education. Problem faced by students in inclusive educations. Inferiority complex, lack of understandings and adjustment problems and isolated and segregated, lag behinds, feeling and extravagance and insecurity, lack of expressions and introvert natures, negative approaches and shyness. Role of teachers in inclusive education. Interaction with family to be able to solve their problems and to develop new learning strategies, to be able to develop self-confidence and to be able to provide special facilities, to be able to look after their personal needs and to be able to recognize their hidden talents and to inculcate positive attitudes in the able-bodied children. Teacher strategies for inclusive education. Firstly, cooperative learnings. Second, peer tutoring. Multi-sensory teachings. Different types. Teaching aids combines and designs of classroom for inclusive education, size of class, teaching aids, restrictions of time, arrangements of light, attention to physical needs, and special attention to disabled children. Reforms in curriculum, use of teaching aids, simple curriculum, adequate facilities, participation in games, cooperative curriculums, providing reading materials, participation in co-curricular activities, and multi-level and flexible curriculums. Next, National Curriculum Framework 2005, normal children and teachers, children with special needs, gifted children, normal children, mental challenges children, physical challenges children. Okay, barriers in inclusive education. First barriers is negative approaches, lack of physical facilities, next lack of funds, next lack of trained teachers, next barriers social discriminations and emotional problems and educational problems. Strategy for improved education, inclusive educations, mainstreaming. Second, encourage students. Next point, improve textbook. Next, special training to teacher and social special care of special children. Improve methods of teaching and provisions of required resources. That's all. Thank you.